Are you tired of rough and uneven boards when working with wood? A good thickness planer can turn ordinary lumber into smooth, professional-looking pieces in no time. In today's video, we'll check out the top 5 best thickness planers. I'll show you the key features, the pros, and a few things to keep in mind, so you can easily see which one is the best fit for your work. Make sure to watch until the very end, because only then will you know which thickness planer is truly perfect for you. Product number 1. DeWalt DW735X 13-inch planer. The DeWalt DW735X is a strong and dependable planer built for both hobbyists and pros. It runs on a 15-amp motor with a cutter head speed of 10,000 RPM, giving smooth and even results on wide boards. It has a 3-knife cutter head that lasts longer than most, and the 2-speed gearbox lets you choose between quick cuts or fine detail. A fan system pushes wood chips away so your workspace stays clean, and the automatic carriage lock helps reduce snipe without extra effort. The 19-inch cast aluminum base keeps it steady and strong while working. Pros: handles tough hardwoods with ease. Adjustable speed for more control. Cons: it's heavy to move around, but that weight keeps it stable for smoother work. Who it's for? Best for serious woodworkers who need reliable, pro-level results. Final verdict: a top pick if you want power, speed, and precision in one solid machine. Product number 2. JET JWP-13BT 13-inch planer. The JET JWP-13BT brings a mix of power and smooth performance. It uses a helical-style cutter head with 26 inserts arranged in rows, which makes cutting quieter and reduces tear out. Its cast iron bed and steel cover keep boards flat, and the 4-post design ensures steady movement of the cutter head. Powered by a 2 HP 15-amp motor that turns at 10,000 RPM, it offers plenty of strength for both soft and hardwoods. The adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables fold up to save space, which is handy in small workshops. With a max depth of cut of 1/8 inch and a width capacity of 13 inches, it's ready for most common projects. Pros: quieter operation with smoother finishes. Strong build with cast iron support. Cons: the price is higher, but you get a quiet, premium machine built to last. Who it's for? Perfect for users who want premium build and less noise. Final verdict: a great option if you value smooth cuts and a refined design. Product number 3. WPL1326 13-inch spiral planer. The WPL1326 is a smart balance of value and quality. It uses a spiral cutter head with 26 small blades placed in a staggered design. This makes boards come out smooth and clean. The 15-amp motor runs at 10,000 RPM and moves wood at 26 feet per minute, which is fast enough for most jobs. It can handle boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, making it great for many project sizes. A built-in gauge shows you how much material is removed with each pass, helping you stay accurate. The machine is lighter than many others, so moving it around is easier. Pros: spiral blades deliver smooth surfaces. Lighter weight makes it more portable. Cons: it has just one speed, but for hobby work, that's usually all you need. Who it's for? Good for hobbyists or budget users who still want quality results. Final verdict: an affordable pick that gives you smooth results without spending big. Product number 4. Craftsman CMEW320 planer. The Craftsman CMEW320 is a simple yet effective planer that's easy on the budget. It features a 15-amp motor that can handle both soft and hardwood with steady performance. Its 2-knife solid steel cutter head works on ball bearings, ensuring smoother operation and longer life. The Poly-V cutter head drive helps with maximum stock removal, making it quicker to work through rough boards. The double-edged, reversible knives mean you get longer cutting life before replacements. A built-in vacuum port helps keep your space clean, which is useful for smaller shops. At under 30 kilograms, it's more compact than many competitors. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly. Compact and easy to store. Cons: the 2-knife system is simpler than spiral blades, but it's easier for beginners to use and maintain. Who it's for? Best for new woodworkers or casual users on a budget. Final verdict: a reliable entry-level choice that balances price and performance. Product number 5. VEVOR 13-inch benchtop planer. The VEVOR benchtop planer offers plenty of power at a budget price. It uses a strong 2000 W motor that spins at 23,500 RPM, making it one of the faster options available. With a 3-blade cutter head, it delivers smoother results than basic 2-blade models. The planer can handle boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, which suits most workshop needs. 2 speeds give you the choice between fast material removal and smoother finishes. Adjustable tables extend the working length for better support on long boards. A dust port allows easy vacuum hookup to keep chips under control. Pros: strong motor with adjustable speed. Good value for the features. Cons: the build isn't as premium as top brands, but for this price, it offers a lot of power. Who it's for? Great for budget-conscious woodworkers who still want power. Final verdict: VEVOR delivers solid performance and flexibility at a price that's hard to beat. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.